What's up everybody, Legendary Makes here, and today I have a quick tutorial for my Lego Dummy13s, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, now it is important to mention that I will only be showing you how to build the red Dummy13 because the black and the red one are exactly the same, just different colors. I will also be showing you how to build each of these weapons, the axe and the gun. But first, let's start with the figure. Okay, I've broken down the figure into a couple simple parts, but I will not be showing you exactly piece by piece how to build it. I will be showing you in small sections how to put each piece together. Alright, you have completely finished the Lego Dummy13. If you assembled it correctly, it should be looking something like this. Now, as I said before, if you want to build the black one, just do the exact same steps, just with black pieces instead of red. Now for the weapons, it's pretty simple. The axe is made up of a couple key components such as the bar, the 2 black lightsabers, and this axe piece. That is basically it for the axe, so it is pretty simple. The gun, however, does use a couple more parts, so it will be a little bit harder to build if you have not seen it. Now don't mistake this piece for one of these. It is the one with the plus going through it. Once assembled correctly, the gun and the axe should be looking like this. Now comparing the Lego Dummy13 to the actual Dummy13, they are pretty different in size, as you can see. Let me just back up the camera a bit. I would say that the Dummy13 is a lot more articulated, but if you just have Lego lying around, throw one of these guys together because they are really fun and they're not fragile. So maybe the Dummy13 could break, but I don't think this guy will be breaking.
Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Mina linda, safadinha, arregaça esse popô. Vai, vai que é, 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 sem caô. Ela cheia de tesão e eu arregaço esse popô. Vai, vai, vai que é, 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 sem caô. Ela tá cheia de tesão e eu arregaço esse popô. Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Mina linda, safadinha, arregaça esse popô. Vai, vai que é, sem caô. Vai que é, sem caô. Ela cheia de tesão e eu arregaço esse popô. Vai.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more content like this in the future. I hope this build video was helpful to you and that you can enjoy your own Lego Dummy13.